We're here in southern New England, late summer. We're looking at a sugar maple. There's a couple here on the edge of a wetland area. These were planted, we're going to estimate about 20 years ago. They could use some structural pruning. There's some crossing and not rubbing or touching, but just intersecting branches. It's a bit of a tangle. And client brief was they'd like to see more of the preserve, the nature area, wetland area behind these. You have weeping willows and other plants. So on the other maple, we've removed lower branches. This is closer to the house, so it's even more important actually to be able to see through it a bit while still maintaining tree health. So the cuts we made were more or less no more than 2-inch caliper branches. Most of them I would say were smaller. And so that really opened it up while maintaining the integrity of the sugar maple, which is upright, almost a candelabra type architecture. So we're not removing any of the major limbs. We're more or less some of the nearly horizontal branches that emerge when there's a full sun condition like this. So the branches that are upright, vase-like, those will continue and maintain the health and the integrity of the shape of this beautiful tree known for its fall color.